Meaning of gear.
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 Gear. The term gear refers to a mechanical component that transmits power and motion between rotating shafts. Gears come in various shapes and sizes, and they are essential in many applications, such as automobiles, machinery, and industrial equipment. Depending on their design and purpose, gears can change the speed, direction, and torque of the power transmission. For example, a car's gearbox uses different gears to adjust the engine's speed and optimize fuel efficiency. In short, gears are an important and ubiquitous part of many machines and devices that rely on precise and reliable power transmission.